Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Chase of Rocky Mountain. Thank you for checking in. So today we have the Tusk Bar Ends. This is the perfect accessory if you're like me and you tip over more than you would like to admit. If you've ever had a crash or tip over, you get your bike up, you look, and you've completely torn up the ends of your grips. Now, for that reason, I've ran lock-on grips for a lot of years because I like the durability of the end caps that you get on a lock-on grip. But if you like to run a standard grip, but you want to add some durability to the ends, these are ideal for that. They install really easily. All you do is just cut off the end of your grip so it's flush with your handlebar. Now on the throttle tube side, you are going to need to cut your throttle tube as well, but you're just going to cut the ends off and then you're just going to install those, get this thing flush with your handlebar. There's a bolt that goes through with an insert, so really easy to install these. But once you've done that, you can see you have a hard aluminum outer piece on the end of your bar that's completely protecting your grip. So now, whether it's a crash or a tip over, you don't have to worry about your grip getting ripped up. And trust me, I've had that happen multiple times with brand new grips. I have a simple tip over and my grip is basically destroyed. And, if you're in a race scenario and you fall over on the throttle side, you damage your grip. It's really easy to get dirt and stuff underneath your throttle tube, which you do not want. So it could save you in a race situation. Another thing that I do like about these is the diameter of these. They're nice and compact and small, so there's no lip on the outside. So when I'm gripping the bar, I'm not feeling it with my hand. So you really don't even know that they're there. And they have these in a lot of different colorways. You have red, blue, black, silver, and orange. So again, if you're like me and you're just looking for more added durability to the end of your grips, got to pick these up. Super inexpensive. And if you have questions, comments, leave those down below. We'll get those answered. To grab a set, just click on the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We always ship for free over 75 bucks. And if you want to stay up to date on cool products like this, subscribe to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.